Please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering concepts.
In this video lecture, I will explain you how to paint the house by using Rivet architectural software. So in my previous videos, I was explained some of the elevation sections by using Rivet architectural software. But in this video, I will cover you how to paint the house after modeling process by using Rivet software. So now we can see this is my G+1 building structural model, west facing house structural model. It will be consisting of some elevation portion in the front facing direction here like this. So this is some inner side view for this particular building structural model. So in this video, I will cover you how to paint this house by using Rivet architectural software. Before painting the model by using Rivet architectural software, initially we need to create the materials, which is nothing but the painting options. Okay. So initially I am selecting the material by selecting manage option. Okay. So here it will be consisting of materials here like this. So you can click on this option. Okay. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel till now, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering topics. So here in this case, now we can see it will be open here like this. So initially we need to select this option. Click on create new material option. Okay. So after this, we need to rename this material. Just I am renaming to some yellow color. Let us consider. Just I am taking yellow color. Some formats initially we need to take. So select the appearance option. Click on this option. So you can select the yellow color, depends upon your consideration. You can select any one of those by using this. So here I am selecting only the yellow. Click on apply option. After this, again we have to select the one more color. Just I am selecting in this case yellow color, blue color, white color, orange color, red color, foam and light green color here. Okay. So here I am selecting second color, which is related to blue option here. Just I am selecting blue color for the second option. Just I am selecting rename blue 2. Let us consider appearance. Select here. Select this option. So here I am selecting this blue color. Okay, you can pick any one of those. Depends upon your consideration. Just I am selecting this blue. Otherwise, you have the thick blue also available here. You can pick on that thick blue also if you need. Click on apply. Okay. So after that, again we have to create one more color. Just I'm creating the color which is related to white. So just I'm selecting white 2. Okay. So click on appearance option. So click on RGB, select the white color, click on OK, click on apply. So that it will apply your white 2 here like this. Now in the same process, I'm selecting orange color. Orange. Okay. Orange, just I'm selecting here appearance, select this RGB color. Just I'm selecting here as orange here like this. So in the same process, I'm selecting red color. Just I'm selecting new material. Rename here. Rename here RED red. So click on the appearance option again. Select this option. Select the red color. Click on OK. Click on apply. Okay. Now we can see it will apply your red color here like this. Again in the same process, I'm selecting some other pattern which is related to foam. Some foam color. So here I am selecting foam. Click on this option. So simply I am selecting this option which is related to squares. Let us consider. If you want, you can select the different patterns, depends upon your consideration. Otherwise, you can take this pattern also. This is also good one for elevation section. Just I am selecting this. Click on apply option. Okay. So here I was selected foam, some foam color here. So again in the same process, just I am selecting green color. Green, let us consider. Click on appearance option. So you can select the RGB color. Just I am selecting here as some green color here like this. Click on OK. Click on apply option. Click on OK option. Okay. So now we have to paint this house by using these color patterns. So for that we have the two options for painting that. So firstly we have to paint the wall sections. Then after that we have to paint the extrusion sections. Most of the sections here you can see it will be consisting of extrusions only. Okay. So firstly I will start with the wall section painting. For that go to modify option. So initially we need to select this option. Click on the paint option. So it will be consisting of different patterns of the colors here like this. So depends upon your selected name. So it will be consisting of some pattern color here. So you can select any one of the color, depends upon your consideration. For example, just I'm selecting white color. I need to apply this white color to this particular location, but it is not selecting here. Okay. Why? Because this is not the wall section. It is the extrude section. So for painting the section which is related to extrusion, firstly we have to select this particular extrusion. Click on edit in place option. So you can select this option for the painting. So you can pick now white color. You can apply the paint for this front facing direction. Now you can see it was applied here like this. In the same process, I will apply the color for this pattern. So click on edit type option, click on the paint option here, select here. So we can select the yellow color for this particular pattern if you consider. Okay, now we can see here it was applied here like this, but it will not apply for the inner portions. Only it will be applied on the front facing direction, but we have to apply the painting on the top section, bottom section, left side section, right section. Okay, so here I am painting the sections which is related to top, bottom, left as well as the right. So here you can see I was done with complete painting process for the yellow color. So now I need to paint this particular box with the help of the orange color. For that we have to select that color, click on modify. So select the painting option. So here we have to select the orange color. Here I am selecting orange. So click on apply option. Now you can see it was applied here orange color like this. Again in the same process we will apply the orange color for the right hand side portion, top portion for this particular location. Again in the same process we will paint different sides. So here you can see it was done with painting process for this orange color. Now we have to paint the top cap with some foam color. So for that just I am selecting this, click on edit pattern. So click on the paint option. So it will be consisting of some foam we are selected already it is. So here I am selecting the foam. So here I am selecting this foam, click on apply option so that it will apply your pattern which is related to this extrusion here like this. Sorry. So which is extrusion here like this. Again in the same process we have to paint some other components. So I need to paint the component which is related to this as white color. Just I am selecting this particular color. Click on edit in place option. Click on this option, paint here. So you can select the white color which is available on the last. So you can apply the white color to this front pattern. In the same process you can apply the white color on the top. You can apply the white color on the left. Again in the same process you can apply the white color on the bottom. So in the same process you can apply the white color for this location here like this. Okay, now we have to paint the extrusions which is related to this as blue color. Just I am selecting here. Just I am selecting here paint option. So we will select the blue color. Blue 2 option here I am selecting. Just I am applying here. So you can see here I was applied the blue color. Now we will apply some more extrusions. So here I am selecting this pattern which is related to this one. It is also comes under the white color. Just I am assuming. So here I am selecting this pattern. So here we have to select the color which is related to white. Just I am applying here. Okay. So now we can see here it was applied here like this. So in the same process we will apply some more white color sections. If you want you can apply. Okay. So here I am selecting this pattern. This time applying that pattern to some thick blue color here. So for that just I am selecting this pattern. Again in the same process we have to select this blue 2 option. So here I am applying here. So here you can see it was applied here like this. So now again in the same process we will apply some color to this vertical extrusions. So click on edit in place option. So here I am selecting this paint option. So it will be consisting of your light blue color which is related to this option here like this. So here I am applying that particular light blue color here for the pattern here like this. Now we can see this is the pattern which is related to light blue color. Okay. Now in the same process we will apply some other extrusions like for this particular extrusions with the white color, edit in place. Again we have to select this paint option. So all these things are nothing but your extrusions only. That's why I am selecting edit in place option. So here I am selecting this. The same process you apply the same color to the rest of the things. So now after this we have to paint these patterns also. So click on edit in place which is related to this foam option. So here I was already selected that foam option. So select this. This time applying here for the front facing direction also. This time selecting here. Okay, now you can see it will be applied your foam color at the bottom section for this section also. So you can see here, so it was applied here like this. So now we have to paint the background for this particular section. Before that we will paint this glass section portions. So for that just I am selecting this, click on edit in place. Why? Because these also comes under your extrusions. So here I am selecting blue color, which is related to a light blue color for the particular considerations. So here I am selecting blue color. Click on this option. Okay, now we can see it will apply the color pattern for this in this direction. So now in the same process we will apply the pattern color to the top section, again to the right side portion. Okay, now in the same process we will apply the pattern color blue color to this bottom section also. Edit in place. For that go to click on the paint option here, select this option. This time selecting here. So again in the same process we will paint for the bottom sections also. So for this pattern, so you can see here, so here I was applied. So now after this we will apply some colored pattern to the this particular section. So it will be consisting of some other light green color I will apply. So edit in place option, go to this option. So green color, so here I was already selected that green color. Green, so here I am selecting here, just I am applying here. Now we can see it will apply the color here like this for this particular pattern. So in the same process we will apply the color to the top section. Left hand side section also we will apply the pattern color. The same process bottom section also we will apply the color pattern. Here you can see here I was applied all the colors patterns for this location. So now we have to apply the color to this background pattern. So for that go to manage modify option here. So it will be consisting of only the walls. Click on the paint option. So it will ask you to save the project initially. So I am saving this project. So here you can select any one of the color from this pattern. So for simple understanding just I am selecting this vinyl color, something like that. So here I am filling this color here like this. Okay, now we can see here it will be consisting of your pattern of the wall here like this. Okay, so in the same process we will fill the pattern of the this particular main wall section also. So for that just I am selecting this modify option. So go to your paint option. Why? Because it is also comes under the wall section only. So that's why just I am selecting here, and you can pick any one of those. So here I am selecting this color pattern for simple understanding. Okay, so now we can see it was applied here. Again in the same process we will apply the orange color for this pattern also. So here I am selecting this. This time selecting this paint option. Depends upon your color combination, you can select the color. For simple understanding only, just I am selecting some 4 or 5 color pattern combinations. But here you can see it will be applied here like this. Okay, so again in the same process we will apply some color pattern to this bottom extrusions. So just I am selecting this pattern, again modify paint 1. So again I am selecting this secondary white pattern section. Okay, you can see here it was applied here like this. Okay, so now our final task is to apply the color to rest of the building sections. Okay, before that we will paint one section here for the particular section which is having the same amount of the color pattern here for the location. So for that just I am selecting this, edit in place, paint here. This time applying here. Okay, so it will be consisting of your patterns. So in the same process you can apply the pattern which is related to tile here like this. Okay, now we will paint the houses with some other colors. Okay, so this is the process of painting. So other color just I am simply placing as white color. Why? Because the white color is more effective in the for the wall sections. So just I'm selecting white 2 option, just I'm painting for the walls. Again for the top section also just I'm painting with white color. This is also white color, just I'm applying here for the walls. Rest of the walls just I'm applying with white color pattern. Okay, so for the floor you no need to apply for the floor as white color, just I'm changing that to some color pattern. So here you can see it will be consisting of the walls here. So you can apply here as a white color pattern for the wall sections. Now we can see here I was applied the white color for the pattern section. So this is the final one for applying the tile section pattern, which is having the similar properties here. So just I'm selecting tile pattern, tiles, just I'm applying here. Click on finish option. Okay. So now we can see it was done with painting process as per the Rivet architectural software. So here you can see this is the final output which is obtained from the Rivet software. So we will select the ground level. I will add one grass section, then after that I will show you the rendering process. Go to click on the architectural browser, click on the floor option here. So here I'm selecting slab 5 edit option. So just I'm giving the name is grass section. So click on OK option, just I'm selecting edit here. So here I'm selecting grass will be consisting of 1 inch approximately. Click on edit type option here. So click on the plus mark option. So here I'm selecting rename with the grass. Okay, so here we have to select this option. Again I'm selecting this grass. Okay, so here I'm adding blue grass. Click on apply option, click on OK, click on OK. Again we have to click on OK option. Now I'm selecting rectangular pattern here like this. Click on right mark option. Okay, click on the view option. So now we can see here it will be consisting of the grass pattern here like this, but it is having high amount of the thickness. So I will change that thickness. So it will be consisting of the 4 inches like that, but we will change that to 1 inch thickness only for the particular grass thickness. Okay, now we can see here. So I will add one car section in front of this at the ground level. Go to components, place component, select the load family here. So here we have to select the US Imperial, which is related to Enrose option. It will be consisting of the car here. Click on the paste option. Click on view option, 3D view option. So now we can see we are placed the car section here for the building model. And now we will do the rendering process for this building model after painting process. So for that just I am selecting front view for this particular building structural model here like this. This is my front view. Just I am selecting here. So click on the view option here, view render option. So it will be consisting of the low, medium, high resolution like that. So in my previous video also I was explained about the resolution process. So here I am selecting medium resolution with 300 dpi. Okay, you can select your dpi, depends upon the consideration. Directly I am selecting here as render option, so that it will take some time for rendering the output from the Rivet architectural software. So here you can see this is the final image output which is obtained after painting process. So you can click on the export option. So here I am selecting my desktop, paint. Okay, so that it will save your image to the desktop which is related to paint option. Okay, so you can see here this is the painted structure. Now we can see this is the painted structure after exporting process in Rivet software. So this is the complete process of painting of the house by using Rivet architectural software. So if you have any queries about this video, please try to text me your questions in the below comment box for painting the house. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.